Hello, Agile friends. My name is Joseph and I'm hosting the session with our amazing speaker, Ram. He's an Agile coach at Standard Chartered GBS, which is in India. So in this session, we're going to learn about the goal of data analytics in product companies. That is to get actionable insight to result in some smaller decisions and better businesses. So welcome, Ram. How are you doing?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Joseph, for the introduction.
Sure.
Quickly getting into the session, today's topic is going to be data analytics for product owners. Especially, we are going to talk about how this is help product owners in terms of getting actionable insights and better business decisions for with insights, and also with the examples with live product companies here. So quickly introducing myself, my name is Ramanathan and I work for Standard Chartered GBS as an Agile coach. And you can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter handles as mentioned here, and I will be sharing this presentation, which can be hosted in the shared drive where you can take and free to use for your references. Again, moving on to the disclaimer slide. This is like it's all my personal views and nothing to do with the company that I've worked with and any data associated with it. There's nothing with respect to the organization I work with. It's purely my personal views before I move on. And continuing with my own style, the good reads that has helped me in terms of referring the information. This is especially from Siam Sixers, a newsletter which I have referred, and that insights have driven me to present this topic to the wider community of product owners and product managers. Especially, I've also got through the other books, which has at least triggered my interest to go and look at it, rather reading that newsletter. So again, this is going to help you in terms of getting up the data science introduction and how to use data analytics to a level where you can get the prediction of the customer's behavior and tend to get actionable insights out of it. So quickly moving on to the topic for 20 minutes, which we have been looking at to cover for the whole session here. We have been looking at the 4 data analytics, which we have been taking it up in terms of the whole set. So it's 4 data analytics which we're going to talk about: predictive, descriptive, prescriptive, and diagnostic. And any companies that can use all these 4 type combinations, and also they can tend to use each and everything in a nutshell, especially that can be used, each data type can be used in a deeper insights to get deeper insights of the problem and then get to a solution. And it can also be a combination of the data analytics types as well. So let's deep dive into each one of it and then get an insight around each of this data analytics in detail. Yeah. Moving on to predictive analytics, right? So it's going to tell you on what might happen in the future. So predictive analysis is going to again help us in terms of predicting the future. So it helps you to understand your customers, their needs and their wants. It also helps you to stay focused with the user and ensure the right product market fit by giving an insight for building the right product at the right time. So when you are looking at the product market fit, this would be the right product analytics that you should do. And again, where this area of predictive analysis being used in, it's used in banking, it's used in healthcare, human resources, marketing and sales, and it's also used in retail and supply chain management as well. And how can you predict and how can that be used in the whole business? It helps you in personalized marketing. It helps you in forecasting your needs, reduces the churn-out rate, and better efficiency and resource allocation. It also gives you a support and also handle your feedback effectively, because you're going to predict the future in terms, and it's also going to help you develop the pricing model, and it provides a lens into the future. So a great example for this kind of analytics, let's quickly deep dive into Netflix story. Yeah, this is going to help us in terms of what Netflix have done with predictive analytics. So if you look at predictive analysis, right, for Netflix, it has